welcome to Azalea's video, and today we're playing Roblox Dress to Impress because curious lang kung tayo na. So our team is the devils and troublemakers. Don't mind the chat kay mga buong. Ay na sila man guys. Guys, yes. Bold looks and edges here. Okay. Kumot lang sa day na the devil and troublemakers daw. Troublemakers ka na yung bukuan daw ta guys. So, yeah. Mga troublemakers kay nabuang ang tama. So guys, bukuan ta guys. Yung mga troublemaker kaya ano and nakuha ko sa akong favorite face. My favorite face is this one. Troublemaker man. Ano siya guys? Kaya wala niya. Don't care about her. Magkamitan niya sa bangs. Only bangs. Itong coloran of. Sure guys, na nagtanaw na ako. So, mag-use tag katong fancy nga hair. Don't mind the background noise guys. Kay saba kayo guys diri guys. So, ayun na lang po mag-mind. Kay saba kayo sa weather guys. So we're gonna use this and ito na pa rin itong kanina I guess itong coloran okay make it white ito black ito white there you go kuya ito guys sa baba din mga DC. So we're just gonna remove the friend kay ganahan. Pangtangon. The troublemakers man. So magkuha tagkuan guys jeans. Troublemakers man kuha. Kuha tag. Yung kuha guys. Sige na kuha. Wala. Sorry po sa screen guys. So, maganda itong pang. Kasi ko ba magamit. I'm gonna use this one. Sorry for the noise. Yeah, lagi. I don't mind the noise guys. Kaya akong manggod at kayo. Watch video. Yeah guys, and by the way, don't mind that. And yeah. Kaya mga kabaw unang gibuhat dari guys. Kaya kasugod sa kong sa ala nalapas naman ko sa kapipin nalapas na ito ka dala on man to siya dark nga on dala okay patag sneakers of course ito siya kaya ko na niya hindi mo kutsil yung buang kuanta guys dataan ay kaat watag bag kapag buot bag din ano yung hair so magtatag accessories gonna bring some accessories okay kuha na ito na lang kulay ito and no siya button off bag okay ito siya off shoulder usa yay ka-cute okay yay sorry guys lagi okay we're gonna grab some books asa man itong mga libro tara there tara kulo ko limutag kutsilyo Nice. Comments. Sana all VIP. 2 stars. Nice. Ooh. Sana all VIP. I didn't eat though. No, pasabot, but 3 stars. Okay guys, kakita nyo sana all VIP man siguro siya 4 and 2 stars. Don't mind the mechanics guys, don't mind the background music. Oh, kanya kong ganina. Cute siya guys, and 2 stars. Don't mind the background music sound guys. They don't mind the background music. Yeah, hello, the money na mausam team. Oy, don't check effort guys. Think sana all. So sige mag-rate ko mo vote. Ay, 1 star ka na ko. Luna, sana all Luna pero kalmorista nga ako botang mutong pero kag-challenge ka dira. Lulute. Sita lulutelo. Yaway. Troublemakers na nila. But didn't eat. I didn't mean to, but I kinda copied the other girl out knowing. I just realized. Guys, sa other guys, ay pag-vote guys. Muna ko, okay guys. Kapag mga kuan yung ganda po guys. Kalimutan ko sana don't mind the background music guys. Kaya sana ang nagkapit ala kumuli mo naman sa lana. Si Lina katong Lina Halloween kuan ang nang ba familiar ka ay hindi ko mo vote 1 star. So ay ito na yung tag daw hard friends so okay guys, matry ako 1 round kapoy lang tayo. Hala, kalimutan yung gawin. Yes, show they a little body. Oh my gosh, it's more than I didn't eat though. Okay guys, last. Okay, we win. This is the old version of the aspiring model, yes. This video was actually for expiring models. Hey guys, bye. This is that for the old videos and bye. Thank you for watching and yes, bye bye.